Yeah, that's the brake. You met the brake backwards. It's fixed. Ain't nothing wrong with it. The wheel fixed. Come on. Yeah, it's fixed. It's you driving it. Come on. Daddy trying to get you together. Yeah. Put your hand on the other side. There you go. Ride it like that. Do. Come on, you got it. Come on, keep trying.
Come on, big boy. Yay, big boy. Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Yeah, use your muscles. Yay, big boy. Use your muscles. Yay.
Gonna come through here wide open. Gonna tap one of these goddamn walls up.
They gonna fuck themselves up.
Boom. You gonna go to sleep. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, go the other way. Come on. Go right here. Go. Show Daddy you know how to ride it. Took me a long time, but you got it. Come on, go. There you go. There you go. Keep both. You don't know how to keep both your feet on there. And hold your head up. You talking about C? We need to get the one with it now. Tell your pop, say Granddaddy Pop. Thank you. Yeah, Pop do what got to you.
Cookie grill.
Yeah. See, you hit the brake. Yay. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. You got it. Go. Use your muscle. Use the muscle. I don't know what I done started, y'all. You know what Daddy done started to do, but I know you're going to be riding that bike now more than you ride that scooter. You got toys everywhere. You got toys in the living room. Junk everywhere.
Daddy, come here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Daddy, eat it.
What wrong?
Eat it. Daddy,
What, baby?
eat it.
Huh?
Eat it, Daddy. Eat it.
Okay, yeah.
I know one thing.
What that? How I'm playing with you?
I know one thing.
Quit falling and come on.
You been ignoring everything.
Ain't nobody been fucking ignoring you. Shut up.
You have.
You know we recording.
What's it, Daddy?
And
Go ahead, dude. Baby, you got to watch where you going. You too busy trying to watch your feet. Go. Tell your mama come give you a little bump.
Huh?
Okay, go on. Hold on, come back.
Come back.
Okay, go. Go.
Hey,
Go, baby.
how my stuff end up in the closet up there? A little snack area. How will it end up there? That was all my stuff I had for work.
No, I just bought that shit
When?
not too long ago. About 2-3 days ago.
The cereal?
Daddy.
Yeah. Because, you know, I had ate the rest of my other ones up.
Daddy.
Huh.
What's it?
That box gone too almost. I think I do lollipop. Oh, he got a finger stuck.
Oh,
Hold on, wait, stop. Okay. Don't you start that crying. Okay.
Oh, my mommy baby, okay? What happened?
Okay, come on, try again.
How you doing? Oh, my goodness.
Come on, try again. Quit all that crying. You gonna try again? Daddy did it right. Try again. Yeah, I got it. Do it again.
Daddy messing up. Give my baby face.
Come on, go.
Don't beat daddy ass.
Get on now. Get up. Yeah, come on, get up. All right. Come on, let's try again. Come on, I want you to never give up. There you go. You keep trying. Practice make perfect. See there? Big boy Ryan. There you go. That's why I told you to put socks on so your feet won't quit slipping off. You want to go the other way?
Hold it, Daddy.
Huh?
Hold it.
No, I'm not going to hold it. You going to drive it. Other way. Other way. Come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. Focus what you're doing. Focus. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Focus. Come on. Don't hold the brake, baby. Come on. Hold your head up so you can see where you're going. Yeah. What? What? I know that's my speaker. Leave it alone. Oh, the speaker in the way. It's in the way. Okay. I'll move it out the way. Go ahead. Come on, the speaker in the way. What that? Hold hot.
What
you talking?
Poke chop, dude. There you go. Come on.
Yeah, Mom.
Teach you how to ride a bike. Come on. Don't get frustrated, baby. Come on.
Put back, Daddy.
Huh?
Put back.
Put it back.
I like it.
Okay, come on.
Yes.
Come on. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up. Keep going. There you go. Watch your head. Watch you going. Watch you going. Watch you going.